Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command, type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command, type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command, type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command, type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command, cd space c : /. Now execute this command, type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command, type bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command, type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command, type md space bcd, type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command, type attrib space c : /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.